are going camping. This is the best day ever. Woohoo!
All right, team, let's go.
Yes, let's do this. How long until we get there, Mom? We're almost there, sweetie. Just a little while longer.
We are almost at the campground. Look at these beautiful trees.
We are here. We are finally here.
Yeah!
This is a beautiful campsite.
Everyone out of the car!
Wow.
It's so big.
Everything is so green and big here.
Wow, look at that tree.
Welcome to the campground, everyone.
Now we build our tent. Who wants to help?
We do, yes.
All right, let's get to work.
These poles are like puzzle pieces, Dad.
That's right, buddy. Keep fitting them together like that.
I make a tiny tent for my rabbit friend.
Lunchtime. Everyone wash your hands first.
Honey, I've got the chairs.
Great. Kids, remember to stay on the path near the minivan and use the pump there.
I am so hungry. The food smells so good. The water is cold, but it feels nice. This camping food tastes better outside.
Who agrees?
Yeah! Yes! Emma, what do we do now?
It is getting dark.
Now I teach you how to build a safe campfire. Watch carefully.
The fire is so bright. It is like magic. Hot chocolate time. This is so cozy.
Look at all the stars. Do you see the Big Dipper?
Wow, it's so big. I can see it.
Amazing, isn't it? Do you see the ladle shape?
I see it, the Big Dipper. It is so cool.
Yes, there it is.
Look closely, sweetie.
That's right, buddy. Keep looking up.
It is getting very late. Time for bed now.
Oh, just 5 more minutes, please.
No, honey. Let's go.
I am so sleepy.
The tent is so warm.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well tonight.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well, my sweet children. I love you both.
Chemist, you wanna? Xin Ying.
Quiet. There's a bear right outside.
Oh my God.
There is a bear outside. Stay very calm and quiet. Is everyone safe?
Yes, they are.
Don't worry. What should we do?
The bear is just curious. We must stay very quiet and not disturb it.
Yes, I understand. I trust you.
Dad? What's that sound? Quiet, Tom. Listen.
Shh,
Emma, Emma.
It's okay, stay still.
There is a bear outside.
Do not be afraid. Stay very, very quiet.
We need to be silent. No noise at all.
Tom, what is the bear doing? Will it hurt us?
The bear wants only the food. The bear will not hurt us.
We are safe.
I am scared.
It's okay, son. Stay still.
What is happening outside? Shh, Emma, let's listen to Mom.
The bear is eating the food from the table.
The bear is happy.
We are still safe.
Look,
The bear is so big.
I can see it eating. The bear is so beautiful. It is not scary anymore. Everyone is safe. The bear has left.
Wow.
That was huge. We need to make sure it's really gone before we come
It's
out
gone.
on.
Look, the table's upside down.
Look at everything. The bear made a big mess.
Let's take a closer look.
Together now. Push hard.
We fixed the table. The bear was very strong.
That's it. Almost there.
It's upright. We did it.
We work as a family. We fix everything together.
That's right, kids. We're doing great. The sun, it's so pretty. The sunrise is so beautiful. It is like magic.
Wow, look at the colors.
This sunrise is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
Everyone is hungry. Let me make breakfast.
Almost ready, sweetie. The food smells so good. I am so hungry.
What an adventure last night was.
We will never forget this camping trip.
I agree. It was amazing.
Thank you all for helping. You are such good helpers.
The bear was so big, it ate all our food. But it was not mean to us. Wow, Tom. It wasn't mean to us.
Bears are wild animals. They are not mean, but they are
That
very
was
strong.
We must always store food safely. So if we keep our food hidden,
Nice.
how do we keep the food away from bears? Well, we use these bear-proof containers.
Just like this one here.
Does it really work?
This special container keeps food safe. Bears cannot open it.
Emma, camping is fun. Even with the bear, Dad.
It certainly is.
The perfect afternoon after a long night.
Yes, everything is ready.
Let's play catch.
Tonight we will tell the bear story to everyone. The fire is beautiful again tonight.
Now we tell the story of the bear. Tom, you begin.
Once upon a time in a dark forest, a big bear was walking. The bear was so big, it came in the dark night and surprised us all.
That's right.
And it knocked over the whole... Oh, it did! I was scared, but Dad said we are safe. Dad is
very brave.
She was very brave.
I'm so glad we did this.
It was perfect.
I want to do it again soon.
We will.